Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Guild Wars 2 error code 42-1001-9001-446. The error reads, Guild Wars 2 has encountered an error. The game client is unable to gain access to the login server at this time. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in to the game. Some users mention that they receive this error only on their main account, but not on other accounts. According to our research, this is a server-side error. It may be caused by firewall settings, router issues, security applications, or unstable servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. To do this, shut down your device and unplug your router from the power outlet. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both. After that, check if you need to update the game, and then check for the error. If the error still persists, and in case you are on GeForce Now, then try switching the servers under GeForce Now. Once you switch the server, check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then the servers may be unstable. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.